Hello! So in this video we are going to talk about electric circuits. So to build a good electric circuit you need to have at least one battery, a light bulb, some wires, and a switch so that you can turn your circuit on and off. Alright, so now let's start talking about how it's going to look. So here in this picture you can see some of the actual materials that you'll be able to use when you build a circuit here in class. What we have over here in the top left, here we have our switch. So as we move this up and down, we'll actually see the light bulb turn on and off. We have over here in the top right the battery. And then down here is the light bulb. Alright, all you have to do is make sure that when you are connecting your circuit together and connecting all the pieces together, that you have metal touching metal. As long as you have metal touching metal, the current is going to be able to flow from one part of your circuit to the next part of the circuit, to the next part of the circuit, and so on, completing that circle. Remembering, of course, that if you turn your switch into the off position, the current stops flowing, and we have no light. And then finally, just again to remind you, we can, if our circuit is nice and closed, just like how we see here, it makes a complete and total circle. So this means current is flowing through with nothing standing in its way. An open circuit looks just like this, where there is a gap or an opening. Because of that opening, current can't flow through. It's not going to jump from one point to the next. Alright, which means that here in this case, nothing is going to be working. So hopefully now you have an idea of the difference between a closed circuit and an open circuit, and also know the materials that we'll be using to make circuits ourselves.